Thank you very much indeed for making time to be with us. Our socials at KBC Channel 1, my Twitter handle at Tomboya24. Straight to our top story. President-elect William Ruto has promised a government that will be guided by the rule of law and devoid of political victimization. While welcoming the decision of the Supreme Court to uphold his win, Ruto said that his administration will be open to criticism and not interfere at all in the constitutional bodies discharging their mandates. Ruto said that his election was a testimony for many and opens possibilities for all, irrespective of their background, where they come from, or even their financial status. Nancy Okware opens this live broadcast with that report.
President-elect Dr. William Ruto lauded the judges for what he said was their firmness and fidelity to the rule of law and the sovereign will of the people. He said he has welcomed the verdict with tremendous humility and that the court, in affirming his win, had acted with utmost fidelity to the Constitution.
I salute the judges of the Supreme Court who have performed their duty with utmost fidelity to the Constitution. They listened to all parties, considered all issues, applied the law, and demonstrated their learning, impartiality, and patriotism.
He said his win was a clear testament to many that they can rise to attain their ambitions if they believe in God and with hard work.
You know, the legendary Mamamboga and Boda Boda guys, they are the heroes of our campaign. They have opened doors and gates for their own children in every village, in every neighborhood, knowing very well that their children as well can become leaders.
Ruto saying time for politics had come to an end and the hard work of delivering the many pledges had come.
My administration shall do justice to all, regardless of their social status, religion, ethnicity, gender, whether they voted at all or whom they voted for.
The president-elect promising to reach out to President Uhuru Kenyatta on matters of transition of power, even as he committed to ensure completion of all pending projects.
I haven't talked to him in months. But shortly I will bring a call to him so that we can have a conversation on the process of transition. I take no offense at all that he decided to choose and support somebody else.
The president-elect maintaining that there was no enmity with his political competitors and that they should not live in fear, but has ruled out any possibilities of a handshake, saying a functional government requires a strong opposition to put it in check.
We will have an opposition in Kenya. There will be no handshake like the one we witnessed before. We are only competitors, not enemies. We vied to unite and strengthen Kenya, not to divide and weaken it. I therefore consider all of my competitors to be my worthy compatriots.
Ruto making it clear that in his administration, independent institutions will be allowed to discharge their obligations unhindered, saying never again will such bodies be availed for political operatives.
Wanasiasa wote wako na huru wakuwe na msimamo tofauti ya kisiasa bila ya kujali ya kwamba watashurutishwa, watalazimishwa, watafunguliwa mashtaka yasiyo na maana.
Once you put the right leadership into place, this is a beautiful country with very resourceful and hard-working people. All you need is to create the right environment for the people of Kenya to prevail.
A few hours after his victory was upheld by the Supreme Court, President-elect Dr. William Ruto says that he is ready to work and steer the country's economy forward and that he is going to work with everyone regardless of their political affiliation. Nancy Okware reporting for Prime Edition from Karen, Nairobi.